Hello there. There's a product you use every single day that kind of sucks. Worse, this product is critical to your life, but like the rest of us, you've probably just gotten used to the status quo. So today, with this campaign, we reinvent the charging cable. You'll also discover a second product you never even imagined, and you may find you want even more. It's a world first, a truly game-changing product that one day might even save your life. Okay, let's get started. So this is MagFast Lux, the brilliant new premium fast charging cable with a gorgeous patent-pending design. And with our lifetime warranty, could this be the last cable you'll ever need? When yours arrive, the first thing you'll see is this beautiful premium packaging. Look, it's perfect for gifting. Lux comes either with an Apple MFI certified Lightning connector for iPhone or with USB-C, which is now standard on every other modern device. Just look at this. Isn't it beautiful? The next thing you'll notice is this amazing premium feel that Lux has. It's incredibly soft and strong, and it just feels so great in your hand. This new sort of silky silicone surface, it's really something. And look, other cables hold on to kinks and knots, but Lux just lets it all go like this. Isn't this great? The secret is there's Teflon shot right through this premium wiring loom, so Lux is optimized for flex and flow, as well as power and data and strength. It's so effective that Lux is certified to an astonishing 25,000 bends. That's how we can honor your lifetime warranty. Data goes great too. Lux can transfer your favorite HD movies in 30 seconds or less. It all flows through our beautiful patent-pending gold-plated tips for the ultimate connection. Now, there's lots of counterfeit and sometimes even dangerous cables online. So onto every Lux cable you're getting, we precision laser a unique encrypted URL like this, so you can easily check this one's the real deal. There's less than a 1 in a billion chance of guessing this code, so you feel totally safe with MagFast, and the counterfeiters can stay laser focused on our competition. Now, there's still a lot of these old USB-A outlets around, you know, the kind you've used for years. So every MagFast Lux comes with this beautifully designed custom USB-A adapter included free, so now all the Lux cables you're investing in for the next decade work perfectly with all the old and new outlets around your home and at places like coffee shops and airports, libraries, hotels, everywhere. And finally on Lux, again, this packaging is just amazing. Look, it's beautiful, perfect for gifting. Isn't this gorgeous? The box has this winding system and even has a secret place to store your adapter and the neat silicone cable tie that we're including. So gorgeous, fast charging, lifetime warranty, and much, much more. The first Lux cables are being manufactured right now. They're phenomenal, and they're on their way. Now, I promised you a second product you'll also love. We've made a little film about it, and if I may, I'd love to show it to you now. MagFast Extreme is, quite simply, a new class of power bank, utterly uncompromising in every way. Extreme's extended form factor and high-intensity power source allow two extraordinary features that have never before been offered together and in a singular, beautiful product. First, arranged perfectly, symmetrically along its top surface, MagFast Extreme has not one, not two, but incredibly 3 fast Qi wireless charging ports. Second, in addition to offering all that wireless power and a total of 5 USB outlets, the battery inside is so powerful it can jump-start your car. And up to 24 of your neighbors on a single charge. MagFast Extreme. Extreme wireless charging, extreme wired charging, extreme car starting. We're so proud of Extreme. There's simply nothing like it anywhere. And with Extreme, you're going to be getting the first of, look, an entire family of gorgeous premium chargers for every part of your life. Extreme is so extraordinary, we've made it the foundation of our featured perk. Go ahead and check it out, and we'll include 4. Is it really 4? Okay, 4 limited edition MagFast Lux cables. That's $176 on our website, and we'll include them free. Extreme is also in production, but Lux will ship sooner as it has a much simpler and faster supply chain. And because literally everyone you know needs multiple Lux cables and will love to get them as gifts, we're also doing special generous early holiday multi-packs, so you'll delight everyone this coming festive season with delivery guaranteed. And no matter how many Lux you'll choose today, for just $7 each, we'll even gift wrap and ship as many of them as you wish, with your message handwritten on a card to your friends, family, and anyone else in time for the holidays. So thank you for checking out all your perks today. With Lux, you can cover half your holiday list in just the next few minutes. And MagFast Extreme is a beast, a truly game-changing product. If you add the Jumpstart cables at checkout, one day it could even be a lifesaver. So please, pick your perks and support our campaign today if you know you love what you've just seen. Bye now.